He caused the storm to a gentle breeze, and the billows of the sea were still.
Mukhang pinaplano ka
They rejoiced as they were found, and he brought them to their desired haven. Let them give thanks to the Lord for his kindness and his wondrous deeds to the children of men.
Nakikita dapat yung cross tsaka yung simbahan.
Yan, kaliwa. Left, yan. 1, 2, 3. Gusto mo pa konti? Ginagalaw mo. Yan. 1. Ginagalaw mo konti. Konti mo ba? Yan.
Ganda nga eh. Kita talaga yung simbahan. Kasi pag nakasasakyan tayo, hindi ka makadaan dito.